This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Great location with gorgeous views from your screened balcony of the Indian River. Nice 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo unit west/soaring ceilings, open layout, kitchen west/breakfast bar, dining area, inside laundry room, master suite west/walk-in closet and large guest bedroom 2. Close to shopping dash. Publix, schools, churches and pharmacies. Amenities include fishing dock, 2 swimming pools, tennis and more. Also listed for rent. See MLS number 790,591 for $1,100, Mo. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.